Join me as I put this powerful 8-inch touchscreen mini laptop to the test for a whole day of student and business tasks. In this video, you'll discover the features and benefits of the new 8-inch touchscreen mini laptop, perfect for students and business professionals. Many students and business people struggle with bulky laptops that are hard to transport, leading to a demand for more portable, efficient alternatives. This has led to a growing interest in mini laptops that can handle everyday tasks without sacrificing performance. For students, having a lightweight laptop means it's easier to carry to class, study groups, or the library. Business professionals also benefit from being able to work on the go, whether that's in meetings or while traveling. The portability issue is a big deal for people who are always on the move. Traditional laptops can be cumbersome, and their size often makes them a hassle to carry around. That's where mini laptops come in. Designed to be compact and lightweight, they're the perfect solution for those who need a reliable device without the bulk. Another problem with traditional laptops is their battery life. Many users find themselves constantly searching for a power outlet to recharge. Mini laptops, on the other hand, are often designed to be more power efficient, allowing users to work for longer periods without needing to plug in. The trend towards mini laptops shows no signs of slowing down, with more and more people looking for devices that offer both portability and performance. Whether you're a student trying to stay organized or a business professional on the go, there's a growing need for laptops that can keep up with your lifestyle. We'll explore the mini laptop's specifications, including its performance, battery life, and how it handles everyday tasks like browsing and document editing. Starting with performance, this mini laptop is equipped with a capable processor that handles multitasking with ease. It's not just about speed. The laptop's ability to run multiple applications simultaneously makes it a great tool for productivity. The battery life of this device is impressive, lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge, which is perfect for a day of classes or meetings. When it comes to everyday tasks, this mini laptop doesn't disappoint. Browsing the web is smooth, and editing documents is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive touchscreen interface. One of the key advantages of this mini laptop is its ability to stay connected. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, staying online and connected to other devices is easy. This makes it simple to collaborate on projects or share files, which is especially useful for students working on group projects. The touchscreen capability also makes navigation a breeze, allowing users to interact with their work in a more natural way. This can be particularly useful in situations where using a traditional keyboard and mouse isn't practical. The standout feature of this mini laptop is its touchscreen capability, which enhances user experience and productivity, making it a game changer for on-the-go work. Being able to navigate and interact with your work using just your fingers opens up new possibilities for how and where you can work. For students, the touchscreen can be a game changer during lectures, allowing for easy note-taking and the ability to highlight important points in a digital textbook. Business professionals can also benefit from this feature, using it to brainstorm ideas or make annotations during meetings. The touchscreen is also incredibly responsive, making it feel like you're really interacting with your work. This responsiveness is key to a good user experience, and it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into making this mini laptop as user-friendly as possible. To summarize, this 8-inch mini laptop offers portability, touchscreen functionality, and performance at an unbeatable price, making it an ideal choice for students and professionals alike. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tech insights. 8-inch Ultra Pocket PC Touchscreen Small Laptop, Windows 11 Pro Mini Computer for Business Students Outdoor, Intel N100 12GB LPDDR5 512GB SSD Complementary Stylus. Brand KOOFORWAY. Model name P8. Screen size 8 inches. Color gray. Hard disk size 512GB. CPU model Intel N100. RAM memory installed size 12GB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Special feature support stylus. Graphics card description integrated. Portable and lightweight mini laptop. This 8-inch mini laptop is designed for ultimate portability, weighing just 0.78 kilograms, making it ideal for work, study, or entertainment on the go. 180 degrees rotating touchscreen for flexibility. The 8 computer features a 180 degrees rotating touchscreen, allowing you to easily switch between laptop and tablet modes for versatile use. Precise touch and handwriting support. With its 10-point capacitive touchscreen, this small laptop supports smooth touch and handwriting input, making it perfect for note-taking and creative tasks. Powerful performance for productivity powered by an Intel N100 processor and 12 GB of RAM, 512 GB/1 TB M2. SSD. This small laptop offers reliable performance for multitasking and enhances your productivity. Optical finger mouse and long battery life. The built-in optical finger mouse offers precise control. In the 3200 mAh battery ensures up to 6 hours of uninterrupted use for all your tasks. Color gray. Hard drive size 512 GB. Operating system Windows 11 Pro. Other special features of the product: support stylus. Graphics description integrated. Hard disk description SSD. Item weight 0.78 kg. Video processor Intel. Specific uses for product: student, gaming, business. Webcam capability yes. Form factor ultra portable, 2-in-1 laptop. Front photo sensor resolution 2 MP. Graphics RAM type shared. Compatible devices mouse. Warranty type limited. Item dimensions LXWX thickness 8 LX 5.5 inches wide x 0.8 th. Optical storage device BDR. Video output HDMI. Screen bezel thickness standard. 1. The KOOFORWAY P8 is an ultra-portable 8-inch mini laptop with a weight of 0.78 kg, designed for business, students, and outdoor use. 2. It features a 180 degrees rotating touchscreen, allowing for flexible use in both laptop and tablet modes. 3. The device supports precise touch and handwriting input with a 10-point capacitive touchscreen, ideal for note-taking and creative tasks. 4. Equipped with an Intel N100 processor, 12 GB RAM, and a 512 GB SSD, it offers powerful performance for multitasking and productivity. 5. The laptop includes an optical finger mouse for precise control and a 3200 mAh battery providing up to 6 hours of use. 6. Additional features include integrated graphics, webcam capability, HDMI video output, and support for a stylus. 7. The device is ultra-portable with dimensions of 8 LX 5.5 inches wide x 0.8 th and has A2 MP front photo sensor resolution. The KOOFORWAY P8 is an ultra-portable 8-inch touchscreen mini laptop designed for students, professionals, and anyone who needs productivity on the go. Weighing just 0.78 kg, this sleek gray pocket PC runs on Windows 11 Pro and is powered by an Intel N100 processor, 12 GB LPDDR5 RAM, and a fast 512 GB SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and reliable performance. The 180 degrees rotating 10-point capacitive touchscreen offers flexibility between laptop and tablet modes, making it ideal for note-taking, creative tasks, or presentations. With built-in stylus support, an optical finger mouse, integrated graphics, and a 3200 mAh battery offering up to 6 hours of use, the P8 is perfect for business, study, travel, and light entertainment. Its compact dimensions and additional features like a 2MP webcam and HDMI output make it a powerful and versatile computing companion in a small package.